Every day we read and see a lot of information. This puts almost constant tension on our eyes. That's why they get tired. Many vision problems arise precisely from the act of overstraining, like dry eyes, redness, and blurred vision. But sometimes your eyes need a rest, and eye exercises can help this. Healthy Hacks wants to share 11 simple eye relaxation exercises with you that don't take much time at all. 1. Shutters. Blink quickly and slightly for 2 minutes. It improves blood circulation. 2. Dot on the glass. Draw a dot on the window. Select a distant object outside the window. For a few seconds, look into the distance, then transfer your eyes to the dot. Repeat 5 times. 3. Big eyes. Sit up straight. Close your eyes tightly for 5 seconds, then open them wide. Repeat this 8 to 10 times. This exercise strengthens the eyelid muscles, improves blood circulation, and helps to relax the muscles of the eyes. 4. Warm palms. Close your eyes for a few minutes and imagine something pleasant to relax. Then rub the palms of your hands until they become warm. Cover your eyes with your hands. After a minute, open your eyes. 5. Massage. With your fingers, gently press the upper eyelids. After 1 to 2 seconds, remove your fingers from the eyelids. Repeat 3 times. Such a massage can improve the circulation of intraocular fluid. 6. Contrast shower. Rinse your eyes twice a day. In the morning, do it with warm water, then cold. In the evening, do it in the reverse order, first with cold water, then with warm. 7. Eyes on the nail. Extend your hand in front of you, put your thumb up and look at your thumbnail. Slowly bring your hand to your nose and take it away again. Repeat this 10 times. 8. Blind man's bluff. Hold your eyelids closed tight for 5 seconds. Then open your eyes sharply. Repeat 10 times. 9. Cycle. Slowly rotate the pupils in a circle, 4 turns clockwise and 4 turns counterclockwise. 10. Flirting. Slowly move your eyes from left to right and from right to left. Repeat this 6 times. 11. Infinity symbol. Move your eyes, repeating the pattern of the infinity sign. Start at the center. Repeat 3 times. Are you going to start doing eye exercises, or do you have eagle eyes? Share this video with people who need to improve their sight.